Okay, so this problem right here is what we call a work rate problem. And I left out the details of the question, but I know the question from memory, so let me just tell you what it is. So here's the question, all right? It says Martha can rake the leaves in her yard in 5 hours, and her brother can do the same job in 3 hours. Question, how long will it take them to do the job working together? Okay, so whether they're typing papers, whether they are painting a house, this problem is a classic example. I mean, I've seen it in movies, I've seen it on TV, but it's a real simple problem. All right, so what we're going to do is we are going to solve this using a rational equation. So what we're going to do is say, okay, well, for Martha to complete this one job, it takes her 5 hours. So this represents Martha. And her brother, we're going to put plus because we know they're working on this together. All right, so her brother, it's going to take him to do the same one job 3 hours. Okay, so we'll put a B for her brother. Okay, so let's see. To do it together, well, it's the sum of that fraction, and we don't quite know what it is. We just know it's 1 out of x. And x is what we're looking for. So we've got 1/5 plus 1/3 equals 1 out of x. Okay, so which is really not the sum of the fractions. All right, but it equals this right here. And this x is what we're trying to solve. So let's think about this. We love fractions so much, right? We love fractions so much that we get rid of them. And so in order to do this, what we need to do is multiply by the common denominator. Well, what's the common denominator for 5, 3, and x? You guessed it. It's 15x. Okay, so 15x. We're going to distribute. All right, 15x divided by 5 is 3x. 15x divided by 3 is 5x. And 15x divided by x is 15. So we get 8x equals 15. And to finish up the question, what is x? It is 15 out of 8. All right, which is approximately, well, not approximately, it's exactly 1 7/8 of an hour. So 15 out of 8 is the answer, or 1 7/8 hours. So naturally, if they do the job together, they're going to save some time. So this is a classic example of what we call the work rate problem.